Can't have pool parties when I'm on the road. This is what happens. You know what I'm saying?
I'm shooting scared ball. Oh, baby, I'm shooting fast. Hey, Tyler, you left your toothbrush at my house.
That's you, LP. That's you.
I know my spot, too. You can't guard me. The Secret Service couldn't guard me.
Hey, Billy, what do they call these shoes anyway?
Air Penny.
What's up, people? Welcome back to TaylorMade Kicks, fresh and from Nike. Let's see what we got, people. Well, let's get into the box. A basic orange and white Nike box. I'll let y'all check out the shoe tag. The shoe tab reads Air Penny 2. Atlantic blue is the colorway. White and black. These are 8.5. I got these from Nike. This is the 2023. Just released a couple months ago. Retro release for Air Max Penny 2.
Guard. He's one of the new breed of versatile players who can beat you inside and outside, making his second All-Star appearance from the Orlando Magic, Anthony Hardaway.
Alright, people, if you don't know, you should know. 1996, Penny Hardaway, one of my favorite players, my top 5. Might have been the best player in the league. Yes, I said it. I said it. I don't give a damn. I said it. Penny Hardaway might have been the best player in the league at this time. 1996. Coming off of a finals appearance. Just getting his own official sneaker line. We had the Air Max Penny 1. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Y'all let me know in the comments if y'all like the Air Max Penny 1 over the Air Max Penny 2. If you like the Air Max Penny 1 or the Air Max Penny 2. Alright, people. Now, the Air Max Penny 2 is mostly famous for... This might be the first sneaker that had like this 3M going around the upper, so when it's at night you'll see this reflect, and in the sunlight you'll see that little gray strip reflect. So that's a 3M reflect on the sneaker. Alright, now you see the big air bubble in the back that goes along the bottom. So you see the infamous number 1 logo on the back. It's Penny Hardaway's logo. The bottom, super official Zoom Air. This is a part of the Zoom Air family. Is blue and white with the visible air bubble and a black Nike swoosh on the bottom. Now the mud guard is white, a white rubber going around the bottom. You'll see this, it's sort of like what the new KDs copied. The new KDs got this look from the Air Penny 2. So you'll see that white rubber going around the bottom of the Air Max Penny 2. In the back, you'll see that Nike logo on the bottom. That's like a glossy blue. And the upper is mostly white leather going around on the toe part, and then it gets into the suede Atlantic blue on the upper. This blue is super poppy, so if you're looking for a color pop, this is it. And once again, you'll see the Penny logo on the top of the tongue. the 1 cent sign. That's Penny's official logo. And the shoestrings are rope. I'm gonna say these are white rope shoestrings. They don't come with other colors. I would suggest leaving the shoestrings as is. I don't swap out colors in this specific sneaker. And the inside just says Nike Air on the bottom, and on the side here you'll have a gray circle with a black Nike sign. Now, this colorway is not my personal favorite. I wish they bring back the Royal. That's my personal favorite colorway in these. But this one is super fire as well. I love the color. This is the closest that we have to the Royals right now. This is the Social Status collab. Y'all let me know which colorways y'all like the best, man. This one only has a little bit of pink on the bottom. That's the only thing I don't like about these. If these were made with the original blue on the bottom, I would wear these probably every day. I also have the Miami Heat colorway in Penny 2s. Y'all let me know which one is your favorite, man. This is the Penny 2s, man. Alright. As far as sizing, I would say go true to size in these. They're roomy, super soft, super comfortable. Yeah, I would say go true to size. Now, people, are you ready for wear, stash, or resell? This is a double up for me. I got the 2015 pair already. So I had a pair in 1996. I got a pair in 2020. I got the 2015s, and I just got these just recently, a couple months ago, the end of 23. So these are a wear slash stash for me. I got a double up wear slash stash. Y'all let me know if these are a wear, stash, or a resell for y'all. Now, when it comes down to rating this shoe, this is one of my top 10 favorite sneakers. So I'm going to rate this sneaker a 10 out of 10. Y'all let me know in the comments which y'all rate the Nike Air Penny 2. Some people like the Nike Air Penny 2. Some people hate the Penny 2s. Some people prefer the Penny 1s. I am team Penny 2. Even though I love them all. I love the whole collection. Y'all let me know where Penny Hardaway sneaker collection rates as far as y'all. When I do my Penny Hardaway 1 sneaker review, I'll go more into detail with that. But before we get out of here, I'm going to show y'all an on-foot look so y'all can see how these look when you maxing and relaxing, styling and profiling in your Nike Air Penny 2s. Check them out. Now, people, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that live bell notification so you can see every time we drop a sneaker review. I am in the 90s, back to the golden era sneaker reviews. And when we're doing a sneaker review every week on a classic sneaker from the 90s. Y'all let me know if you got a specific sneaker that you want me to do, and we'll break that down as well. I am T. This is Tailor Made Kicks. Signing out, people. Until the next time, keep it fresh. Deuces.